I'm Mike with House on the Mend, and in this, our last video in the series where we've been rehabbing this house in Bullhead City, Arizona, we're going to be showing you the before and after footage. So let's get started.
House on the Mend.
Now, almost everything we're going to be talking about is in previous videos. Please check out the playlist on my channel, but let's get started with the exterior. We started by painting the entire house, and then we removed that pagoda and white quartz rock from the front of the house and installed this nice Mojave gold gravel throughout the entire front yard. And let me tell you, that is a young man's endeavor. My back felt it for a week. We removed all the oxidation off the exterior of the windows, washed them inside and out, and now they're crystal clear. We also replaced the old worn out carriage lights with these new nice bright LED lights. Surprisingly, there was no mailbox when I purchased the house, so we set a post in concrete and installed this nice little box here. Now let's take you up to the front entryway and show you the inside. We went from that drab front door to this nice color that matches all the exterior trim. Let's head inside and take a look around. Nice, clean, bright. And this kitchen, amongst my favorite parts of the transformation of this house. Clean new lighting, fresh stainless steel major appliances, beautiful. The once blue room, now nicely painted white, fresh canvas with actual flooring. Then the guest bathroom that was once upon a time all blue and white has been completely repainted. Brand new light fixtures and a frame that goes all the way around. The mirror, new faucet. And if you remember from the Transforming the Bathrooms episode, these freshly painted fiberglass tubs just look fantastic. Into the other guest bedroom, it went from that periwinkle purplish color to pretty white. Brand new ceiling fan, awesome. Across the living room is the master bedroom. We replaced all the doors and brand new door hardware, very up to date. Freshly painted master bedroom, matching ceiling fan to the other guest bedroom. Walk-in closets, nice and clean. We updated that old bubble light to a new LED one. Into the master bathroom, and if you recall what this used to look like, such a nice change. You remember how the sink countertop was just that awful plywood. It's been all redone. Brand new lighting and the mirror frame all the way around. And the master shower, completely redone. Looking great. We repaired all that peeling around the insert. Nice. Sunroom floor was cleaned, power washed, and painted, and just looks so much better than before. All the windows were cleaned. You can barely tell there's glass in them. And these two windows over here that were cracked and had this really ugly mirrored tint on them have been replaced. And if you recall, that old falling apart, crumbling garage door opener was changed out to a nice update Chamberlain MyQ. Well, this was a great transformation and a really rewarding project, and I enjoyed every aspect of it. Ultimately, the way the market was here in Arizona, I did decide to put the house up for sale, and it sold rather quickly. So this house is going to be going to a family that I hope will enjoy it very much. Well, I hope you liked this series, and if you wouldn't mind, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really helps the algorithms to start suggesting it to more viewers like you. Until next time, thank you for watching.